Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to use your mobile phone camera to capture writing on a blank piece of paper using JIBB. So I'm going to dive straight into my control panel here inside my JIBB workspace, where I've already got blank paper selected as my surface, mobile as my input, and now the next step is to open the JIBB Connect mobile app like this. As soon as it connects, I can turn the camera preview on like this. Now, the next most important step is to use the camera preview to make sure that the whole blank page is fitting inside the camera preview. As you can see, I don't even have a normal phone stand. I'm just using a regular coffee mug so that my phone is upright and slightly leaning forward, which is the perfect angle for JIBB to detect paper. So now that I can see it's all set up how I like, I can click start, and I'm going to keep my hands away so that while it detects, JIBB can see everything it needs to. As soon as JIBB tells me to start writing, it will also display a frame drawn around the piece of paper. It's also a really good idea to use a black pen because you'll get the best results. As you can see, my writing appears directly inside my workspace, and it's as simple as that. If you'd like to learn more about using JIBB with other surfaces or camera inputs, you can go to our help page and watch all of our tutorial videos. Anyway, thank you for watching.